Hello everyone, welcome to the course on solid state. So in the previous videos we have studied the different concepts like the packing efficiency in solids and crystal defects in solids, and now in today's video we are going to discuss about one of the important property of solids, that is magnetic properties of solids. So as you all know, some solids are able to attract towards a magnet in the presence of magnetic field. So when I kept a iron in a magnetic field, that iron gets attracted towards the magnet. But whereas if I kept any substance, plastic substance like chair or plastic pieces or plastic paper, or including the paper itself, okay, when I kept those substances near to the magnet, then there will be no attraction has been observed towards the magnet. So the plastic material is also a solid substance, but it does not attract towards the magnet. And if I consider the wood, the pieces of wood, they are also present in the solid state, but when I kept that in the magnetic field, it does not attracted by that magnet. So what is the reason for those different properties which are shown by the solids? Okay, when I keep the iron, it attracts towards the magnet, and if I kept the wood, it does not attract towards the magnet. Why this change will be observed in the solids? They have certain properties which are known as magnetic properties. So why certain substances get attracted towards magnet, and how they will get the magnetic field, or why they will act as a magnet? If I kept iron in magnet for a very long time, then upon removing that iron piece will also act as a magnet. What is the reason for that magnetic behavior of the certain solids? The reason is, one is due to spin of electrons, and another one is revolution of electrons in the orbit. So due to these two reasons, the substance will show the magnetic property or magnetic behavior. One is spin of electrons around their own axis, and another one is revolution of electrons in the orbit. These are the two reasons why the solids show the magnetic behavior. Okay, and now based upon the behavior of solid substances in presence of magnetic field, they are mainly classified into different types, and those are diamagnetic properties or diamagnetic substances. Then second one is paramagnetic substances. And third one is ferromagnetic substances. So these are the three different types of substances which are classified on the basis of behavior of solid substances in the presence of magnetic field. So first one, what does this diamagnetic substances means? Diamagnetic substances are the substances where when they kept in the magnetic field, they are weakly repelled by that magnetic field. That means when I keep the certain material in presence of magnetic field, if I consider this one as magnet, okay, I will place certain piece of substance, and if it repelled by that magnet, then it is said to be diamagnetic substance. ಅದು ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡಿಗೆ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ಗೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಡಯಾಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ which are weakly repelled by the magnetic field are said to be diamagnetic substances. And example for the diamagnetic substance is water, H2O. When water is kept in the magnetic field, it does not attracted by that magnetic field. And if we come to the paramagnetic substances, then what is the meaning of the paramagnetic substances? The paramagnetic substances are the substances which are weakly attracted by magnetic field. So these substances which are said to be paramagnetic are weakly attracted by magnetic field. Now magnetic field olaga ondishtu substance ittaga ಆ substances weak ಆಗಿ attract ಆದವು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರ magnetic field ಕಡೆ, ಅವಾಗ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ದಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್. ಸೊ ವೈ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಗೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೈ ನಾಟ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್? ದಿ ರೀಸನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್, ಇನ್ ಡಯಾಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ all the electrons are paired. Okay, all the electrons are paired. When all the electrons are paired, then it will act as diamagnetic substances. And in paramagnetic substances, the unpaired electrons are present. Due to the presence of unpaired electrons, the substances shows the paramagnetic behavior. That means they are weakly attracted by magnetic field. Okay, so diamagnetic substances are the substances which are weakly repelled by the magnetic field, and the paramagnetic substances are the substances which are attracted by magnetic field. And why certain substances are weakly repelled? Because all the electrons are paired. ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ನು ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲೇ, ಪೇರಪ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾವ. ಸೊ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಎರಡು ಏನಿರ್ತಾವೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸು ಎರಡೆರಡು ಜೋಡಿ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾವ. ಅವಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಈ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಿರ್ತಾವು, ಅನ್ಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಪ್ರೆಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಅನ್ಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅವು ಏನಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಜೋಡಿಯಾಗಿ 2 electrons pair up ಆಗಿ ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂತ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾವ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್. ದೆನ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ferromagnetic substances. Ferromagnetic substances means these are the substances which are strongly attracted by magnetic field. Ferromagnetic substances ಎಂತ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರ, ಅವು ಬಹಳ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವು, ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ಗೆ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಐರನ್, ಕಬ್ಬಿಣ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಐರನ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾನು ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟೆಡ್. ಅದ್ರ ಕಡೆ ಅದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂತ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ಗೆ ಫೆರ್ರೋಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಡಯಾಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ weakly repelled by the magnetic field, and this property of substance is said to be diamagnetism. ಆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿಗೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಡಯಾಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಸಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, and in the similar manner, paramagnetic substances are the substances which are weakly attracted by the magnetic field, and this property is said to be paramagnetism. ಅವಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಸಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ದೆನ್ ಫೆರ್ರೋಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಈಸ್ ಸೇಡ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಫೆರ್ರೋಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಸಮ್. Ferromagnetism. Okay, so remember these 3 different types of magnetic properties of solids. So still there are 2 different ferromagnetic substances you can observe those are antiferromagnetic substances and ferrimagnetic substances. But these things are not there for your syllabus. Okay, so here we will stop the magnetic properties of solids, and this is all about the chapter solid state. And remember, in the solid state there is one topic, that is electrical properties of solids. There you learn about the semiconductors, insulators, conductors and valence band theory. All those things are included in that electronic properties of solids or electrical properties of solids. So that was removed from the syllabus, and hence I have not explained about those electrical properties of solids. So up to this you have to read. Whatever I have explained, that you should remember and follow that and refer the notes. Thank you.